Hi everyone, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris here, your automotive advisor at Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. And this video is for those that just purchased their awesome 2021 Honda Civic Hatchback EX. I'm going to set you guys up for success. When you guys get to the dealership, ready to drive off the lot now with your brand new car, you're going to know how to customize your vehicle settings. So everything is personalized the way you want it, so all you have to do is show it off, all right? Now, if you guys have any questions, you know what to do. Drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best to answer those questions. If you or anyone else is in the market that's watching this video, you know, my contact information is right over here. Don't hesitate to give me a call or shoot me an email, all right? Now let's go show you how to customize your vehicle settings now. All right, so by the way, congratulations guys on your new Honda Civic Hatchback. I'm excited for you guys. I can't wait to hear down in the comments how you guys put this to the test. But right now we got the vehicle on, it's running, of course. We're at the home menu, all right? So that's gonna be the starting point from here. Now, you're gonna go to settings. Let's select that. Come down to vehicle. Now we're going to start from the top and work our way all the way down to the bottom. So the first thing that's going to pop up is going to be a tire pressure monitoring system calibration. So we have an indirect tire pressure system going on. Tell you to get out there, double check your tire pressure light, or your tire pressure, all right? Because your tire pressure light's on. So once everything checks out or you addressed it as it needs to be, you hit calibrate, then reset your tire pressure from there, all right? Now the next thing is going to be a driver's assist system setup. This is for all of your Honda sensing features, which we can customize right now. You got your forward collision warning distance, all right? So as you're driving down the road, at what distance do you want it to start its 3 stages to warn you, stop you, stuff like that, when you're gonna hit an object, a parked car, a pedestrian, stuff like that, all right? So I don't know the exact distance. You may have to refer to your owner's manual, but hey, Honda set on default as normal, so I'm gonna keep it on normal, all right? So you have 2 options. You hit the back button throughout this whole thing if everything's already selected you want, or you just hit the option you want, hit save, then tap on the screen because there's going to be a delay. Now we have your ACC, is your adaptive cruise control, forward vehicle detection beep. As we select that, it's an on or off. So I'm going to move this tripod over here so you guys can see. As you guys can recall, you got your Honda sensing over here. As you select this right up there, you can see, well, let's move the steering wheel. There we go. So now you can see that green lighting is available, right? So you select the distance between you and the car in front of you. So when it finds a car, do you want it to beep at you to let you know, hey, I'm slowing down from 55 to 50 because I found a car? I'm gonna say yes. I like to turn on all the beeps, bells and whistles, so everyone knows, you know, what the Honda Civic has to offer. So there we go. So now every time we found a car, every time our adaptive cruise control is on, it's gonna beep to alert you. Now we have your lane keeping assist suspense beep. As you select that, this is simply for your highway driving. You go out of your lane a little bit, right? It's gonna beep at you as it brings you back or wherever you have that setting set at. So I like it to beep at me. Lane departure, going out of your lane. Now you have your road departure mitigation. Right here, settings. This is the sensitivity for your lane keep assist, stuff like that, when it's gonna warn you, when it's gonna bring you back, stuff like that. I'm gonna keep it on normal. I'm not gonna put on wide or warning only, so if you don't want it to bring you back, that's where you're gonna change that to warning only, all right? So normal is great for me. I'm gonna hit the back button. Now that's everything underneath your driver's assist system setup for your Honda sensing, all right? So I'm gonna hit okay. Now we're gonna come down into the nit and grit on your meter setup. Once again, I'm going to start from the top, work your way down. And there's no right or wrong answer here for you guys. This is, once again, to personalize your vehicle the way you want it, okay? You have your outside temperature. You can find that over here on the driver's interface, by the way, right down in the center right here, all right? 84 degrees outside right now. Sweating to help you guys out. All right, so there we go. So you can fine tune this between 0, you can do a 5-degree swing, Fahrenheit, either way that you want. You got your trip A and trip B. You can find that right next to the temp right there in the driver's interface. You can choose when you want this to automatically reset. So if this is kind of important to you guys, you can do it right here. So you don't have to be like, darn, I forgot. Happens to me all the time with my car. Trip B is going to be the same exact thing, all right? Now we're going to come down to adjust alarm volume. This would be like your turning indicators, you know, when you honk for when you hit the key button, lock button, right? It does a little honk, stuff like that. So how loud do you want it to be? Maybe you want it quiet, or you're really hard of hearing like myself, so you have to have it on high, loud. Now let's come down here to a fuel efficiency backlight. As you select the fuel efficiency backlight, it's on or off. So let's move this tripod one more time here. Now up here on the driver's interface, you get these nice white lights. See those? Yeah. So those are going to be the fuel efficiency backlights. They go from green to white when you're not being fuel efficient, if I can talk, then white to green when you are being fuel efficient, all right? So I'm going to keep that on. It's a visual coach. Why not? Let's select it. Let's save it. And we're going to scroll down. Now you got your new messages right here. So let's say you got your phone and everything connect. It's compatible. When you get a new message, perfect. It's going to be a nice little thing to let you know. You got speed and distance. We'll keep it in miles per hour. Right here in Iowa. Tachometer. So this is on or off. Let's move this tripod again. So right here it's on. You can see the tachometer. It's going to be visible at all times. So if you don't want that for any particular reason, you want to clean it up, make it look nice and clean, we're going to select off and watch it go away. There we go. Now this is going to be a personal preference for you guys. For me, I like to have all that on there. Gives me a sporty vibe. Makes me feel kind of cool. There we go. Get that tripod adjusted. Perfect. So now that's everything underneath your meter setup. We're going to come down to keyless access setup. So this is when you have the key fob in your purse, your jacket, your pocket, you know, just not in your hand. Whoop, there goes the tripod. All right, bear with me. Perfect. So there we go. So we got your remote start. So when you use your remote start, as you guys know, you hit lock on the key fob, right? Lock, hold this button down here for a few seconds. Your remote start comes on. It runs for 10-minute intervals. The doors remain locked, stuff like that. Heat and cool the car to 72 degrees. You like to have that enabled or disabled. So you can't use it from the key fob. I'm going to keep it on just because I'm here in Iowa. We got your door unlock mode. So you walk up to the door. Once again, everything's in your pocket, your purse, your jacket, whatever the case is. You put your hand in the handle. Which of these options would you like the doors to unlock? Just the driver's side door because it's just you, mostly in the car? Or do you want all doors to unlock? Because you know you always have friends and family with you. I'm going to do driver. Keyless access flash. So simply I put the hand in the handle. There's going to be a delay. And it's going to have the lights flash to let me know, hey, door is unlocked. Same thing, a delay. There's going to be a beep because I had the beep on to let me know, hey, go ahead and yank on the handle so someone's not there standing there yanking on the handles. The door's locked. So now that's everything underneath your keyless access setup, all right? You're gonna hit the back button. You have your lighting setup. I'm gonna start from the top and work our way down to the bottom once again. Interior light. So we just shut the car, shut the door, we walk away. In X amount of time, when do you want your interior light to turn off? A lot of these I'm gonna keep at the manufacturer default, but things like maybe the headlight auto timer, you may want to, change a little bit, depends where you park, your driving habits, when you drive. For example, let's say you get home really late and it's dark when you get home from the building complex, or just because you live out somewhere it's dark, you want to see where you're walking, and you don't park in the garage, maybe you need 30 seconds. In 30 seconds, when you shut the door, shut off the car, in 30 seconds, the headlights will turn off. Stuff like that, all right? Now you have your auto light sensitivity. So when you have your headlights on auto, right, and they automatically become on or off, it's going to change that sensitivity when they're going to come on or off between your day and nighttime. Now this is your interior light sensitivity, all right? So when you have your headlights on auto and your headlights automatically come on, you can change the illumination on this on how bright it's going to be on your driver's interface. Once again, you have to have it on auto, all right? We have your auto headlights on with wiper on. So I got my headlights, once again, right over here, as you can see on the stick. You got the auto. You can see what's selected, have it selected in auto. Headlights come on. So my wipers are on. My headlights automatically will come on. So that's great for me. Now that's everything underneath that point. Now we're going to come down to door and window setup, okay? We're going to start from the top at the auto lock. You just got in the car, ready to go off, show it off to friends and family. When do you want your doors to lock? Okay, you want it with speed, as soon as you shift from park to reverse or drive, or have that off, you just hit the button on the door. Now, auto door unlock, same thing but in reverse, all right? When do you want your doors to automatically unlock? So you can have it so when the driver's side door opens up, That's gonna be great for me because I got the 5-year-old Cameron back there, you know, some of the kids, depending where they're sitting. I open up the door because I already know my surroundings. Perfect. Or she needs to shift to park. That's a great one. My wife likes that one because she's the one that runs the kids around to school, runs the errands and everything else. So constantly, you know, when you shift to park, get out, kids, go to school, boom, automatically unlocked, all right? Or as soon as you shut the car. You have your key and remote. So when you automatically hit unlock twice, right? On the key fob, all doors automatically unlock. So now if you hit it once, what of these options would you like? You want only the driver's side door to unlock or all doors? When I share that, about 95% of the customers say, hey, just keep it on driver's side so I can, you know, decide on the fly. Now we're gonna have your security relock timer. So if I'm over there, off to the side, I hit unlock on my key fob, right? I have X amount of time for someone to open up a car door in 30, 60, or 90 seconds. If they don't, in that amount of time, all doors will automatically lock, okay? So 30 seconds is perfect. A lot of times people select between 30 and 60 seconds. We'll come down here. We have your walkaway auto lock. This is gonna be great. It's off right now. I'm gonna turn this on. The reason I like this, so every time I have the key fob with me, right, and I walk away with the key fob, I get 10 feet away, it automatically locks the doors, okay? So when I'm out there running errands or, you know, get done with the test drive with the customer, take the keys inside, perfect, doors locked, all right? Now, let's say if you leave this in here, the doors will not lock if you leave the key fob in here and you walk away from it, from there. The only negative thing I can think about this, for me, when I was growing up, mom and dad always said, Chris, shut the door. You're not closing off the outside, right? So I gotta have it shutting the doors behind me. And I take the key fob with me. I take the key fob, put it on the hook so I won't misplace it. I go back out to the garage. I want to get in on my car. Guess what? I had to go get the key fob. All right. So if you like to play around with your car in the garage a lot and not have the key with you, you know what I'm saying, right? So now that's everything underneath there. Now we have your maintenance right here. Okay. So oil, other services that may come up, everything's gonna be right here underneath your maintenance. It's gonna make it nice and easy for you, okay? Now, since we already talked about the vehicle settings, you know, let's go above and beyond. Let's talk about a couple other things that you guys may not be aware about with your vehicle, okay? So you right up here, you have this nice little button. Let's move this tripod, you know, knock it down a couple more times. You have this right here. Let's say you're doing some driving at nighttime and this screen bugs you during your nighttime driving. You can simply hold this down for a few seconds, shuts off the brightness. Look at that, pretty nice. Then all you have to do is hit a button, and then it's going to come right back up for you. All right. Now I do have other videos that talks about pairing phones for you guys. Check that link out right up there. It's going to show you how to connect and disconnect all of your phones. Radio is going to be nice and easy. So let's say you found a radio station that you like, right? Here's one, 107.9. It's already preset. Now let's say you want to save it. All you have to do is click and hold, and then it's done. It's gonna work the same way for your AM and satellite radio. Now a reminder, you get 3 months of satellite radio for free. After that, you have to contact them after those 3 months, all right? It's a paid subscription. So there we go. Now you know how to save your radio stations. You guys know about the phone after watching that video from there. So that's set up for success. Your climate controls is going to be pretty nice and easy. As you can see, you got your fan speeds, you got your on and off, you got your temperature gauges right up here. We got dual climate. Right now I have everything synced. Front defroster, rear defroster with the heated side mirrors. Heated seats. Right down here you can see that those are going to be 3-tier, low, medium, and high. And then you got your nice touchscreen right here. Change your different modes. All right, so let's say your time's off, right? Let's got to select the clock right up there. Manual time zone. Next. Central. Boom. Now you're set for success, guys. Oh, I'm cooking down here. All right, so there we go. Hey guys, thank you again for watching my video. Hopefully it set you guys up for success, answered a lot of questions for you guys underneath your vehicle settings. Don't hesitate to check out my other video that walks around this car, hits all the bells and whistles, show you what's standard from there so you know what you're getting to as well. You never know, maybe I cover something that the other guy did not cover from there, all right? Now, if you guys found either of these videos helpful, show your support. Hit that like, smash that subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. Appreciate you guys. Bye-bye.